Hi guys, this is Barry Because.
Hello again.
Athena, Arenel,
Calvin.
Felicia.
This is Group 2 from 10-2.
So we need a series of questions for us to answer today. To start, what is misinformation to you and what are the effects that you have experienced? Start with Noah.
So basically misinformation is incorrect or false information. So misinformation is false or inaccurate information that is spread often unintentionally. It can be spread through like social medias, various channels, or even word of mouth.
Okay, misinformation to me at least is like what Noah said. It's when false information gets passed around, and usually, not all the time, negatively impacts everyone.
For others, I think for others it may seem like misinformation only appears in the media, but to me it can appear anywhere from big leagues like the government, the news, celebrities, to your friends, families, and even your classmates, and just anyone that's with misinformation.
For me, misinformation is falsified information that is used to intentionally distract someone's work or life.
Gaya ng sinabi ng mga apat na ito, gabi, kakalat sa ibang information parang sa papel na kaibigan. Kaya nasagot ko.
Okay, next.
Personally, misinformation para sa akin is like, for me it's bias, like it's information but it's mixed with bias na or like negative, like very opinionated on one person. Pero this could intend for someone to persuade people and view this certain information in a bad way.
And for the last one,
For me, misinformation refers to false or inaccurate information that is spread regardless of data. As for my experience, I have rumors spread about me that negatively affect my mental health and it
so we got the next question. We'll pick randomly na lang. For the second question, how does misinformation affect your academic performance in terms of OAs and IPPAs? We'll start with Aiden.
Ayun nga, boss. Pagka-affect ng academic performance namin sa information or bigay ka sa pagka-sabi, makakagaling din tayo mas next na naman pa lang.
We'll have no next.
Did it affect
Let's have further.
For me, yeah, misinformation really affects, or it is the type of thing that make or breaks your grade sometimes for me, because I could be researching a certain topic or subject, and I find this one source that may become, like, it may show itself as the source you'll need to learn everything about a certain topic, but on the day of the exam, it talks about completely different ideas, theories, and everything else. So misinformation, it's really, really annoying and misleading most of the time. And in short, it really does affect your academic performance in general.
Okay. So for the third question, we'll do spin the wheel.
No, yeah, that's another question.
How do students fall for misinformation in this day and age? This is your opinion.
I think probably searching a certain topic, which is not true, says if you're like, if you have a project or exams, then search a certain topic and which is not true or like that is incorrect. So that is
Okay. For the girls naman, for Athena, does encountering misinformation negatively affect your academic performance and decision making in your studies?
Yes, kasi there are times when I encounter false information and that affects my work, like in IPAs. So yeah.
Okay. And last one, for the girls again, Marianne, where do you usually find this information? Daily life, schoolwork, social media, or where?
Majority for me, social media talaga. Kasi syempre, this is, like, majority ng people is nasa social media. And you never know what their intentions are with spreading information. So like, alam mo yung parang I get skeptical about the information na through social media.
Fifth question, speaking.
Ba't ako?
The fifth question. Did the friend, relative, or person online ever convince you to believe in misinformation? And if yes, what is that misinformation?
Ano?
Has a friend, relative, or person online ever convince you to believe in misinformation?
Ilang beses na rin sa kaibigan ko school. Kasi yung sa misinformation na yun, hindi ko masabi pero madami nang nangyayari sa akin ng nangyayari.
What misinformation is that? Anong misinformation yun?
Ang misinformation,
what kind of misinformation? Yung scams like,
Yeah, tas naniwala, tas convince ka maniwala.
yung pag-receive sa akin, pero
Nino.
misinformation na pinag-ulo
Another spin the wheel.
Ako na naman!
For the last question, which one of these do you think increases your vulnerability to misinformation? Social media, bad sources, and real life scenarios.
Ano yung vulnerability?
Vulnerability, like your someone like increases your chances to encounter misinformation.
Ako to encounter. Sa akin, social media. Social media play. Kasi ang dami nagsasabi sa akin ng parang bad intention sa akin. Pero hindi